How to transfer money from your bank to Cash App without a debit card. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to transfer money from your bank to Cash App without a debit card. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. Here, there are several options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, make sure you tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account, as you can see here. From there, proceed and scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Next, come to this section named Account Settings. Under the section, there are more options. From those options, make sure you tap this one here, Linked Banks. After that, you will see a page that is similar to the one you see here. The page has several options that are related to money. From them, make sure you tap on this one here named Linked Banks. Once you do that, this other page appears here, where you will see many different banking institutions that you can connect to your Cash App account. If you don't see your bank in the list, then you can search for it in the search bar. When it appears, make sure you tap on it and then proceed to log in to your bank account. Once you link your bank account to your Cash App account, you can proceed and transfer the money easily between your bank and Cash App. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to transfer money from your bank to Cash App without a debit card.